தெரியுது. ஃபுல் என்ஜாய்மெண்ட் தான். வாங்கடா.
Get the fuck out of here!
கோரி முடிச்ச மொன்னா நாயே.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
உங்களுக்கு டாக்டர் ரொம்ப பிடிக்குமா?
நமக்கு துரோகம் நினைக்காத ஒரே ஜீவனுங்க.
Every time someone tried to catch him, he would run away.
Oh, get it. Oh.
I saw a post about him on Facebook. Miles had been astray for an entire year. The next morning, I jumped in my car, I drove up, and I was like, I'm gonna get this done. I'm gonna save him.
Oh, there he is.
There's other stray dogs that would attack him, and it gets to like 110 degrees sometimes.
Hi, baby. I'm here for you. You ready to get out of here?
I can't even imagine him trying to find shade, trying to find shelter.
I'm gonna get you out of here. We're gonna get you home. It's okay. Come here. It's okay, baby. Cookie. There you go.
He's accepting treats for me.
And then I'm just gonna put this on you, okay? See? It's nothing.
And then he's like, oh, no. I don't know what your plan is with that, but I'm not even going near you with that.
You want more cookies?
At that point, he started to run away from me.
Well, I lost the dog. He was too scared.
I would find him laying in front of another house.
I found you. You put me on a little hunt.
Or I'd find him laying in a construction site.
Okay, good boy.
I just did that for about 6-7 hours. It was just trying to get him, and I couldn't. I was heartbroken because it was dark. I had to find help. I had to find a trapper. Within a week, I found Danny.
Megan and I had come up with the time that we were going to get him safe. I happened to get there just a little bit before Megan did. Off in the distance, I see this big white dog.
Hi there, big boy.
I saw a fence and a gate. It turned out to be a dog park. I had no idea. Lured him into the dog park with hot dogs. I was able to slowly close that gate.
So I'm going to try to just keep him in here, let her sneak up.
It was a big sigh of relief when Megan and Courtney pulled up.
Courtney is a friend I knew from my hometown. He was very adamant, but he will capture Miles.
Do it. Oh my God, you almost got it. Yeah. I can cry. I literally can cry. You said you would do it. You said you could do it. Come on.
Once he had the leash on, he was paralyzed.
Now it's just like getting him to walk. As you can see, he's so scared.
We're like, we gotta carry him in.
Good boy.
Leaving was such a relief. He just is looking back to like where he was for an entire year, fending for himself. Miles went straight to a doggy daycare. He was just able to completely decompress. And then he moved over to his foster's house. He's become a dog. He's jumping on his foster's lap. He's interacting with other dogs. He walks on his leash. He has a bed to sleep in. He smiles. He knows he's safe. People wonder why I do this every single day. It's for this.